For these power series substitution exercises, basically what we're doing is taking this power series and recognizing that 1 plus x squared plus x cubed represents a power series, and it generates this formula 1 over 1 minus x. Okay, and this formula comes from the formula that the infinite geometric series is equal to a over 1 minus r, where r must be between -1 and 1. Okay, so that's the infinite geometric series formula. It's basically a geometric series where the base is less than 1 or between -1 and 1. And it will, so we're looking for this power series. We're looking for some substitution of x and some factorable expression m, where we're going to take that factorable expression and we're going to put it outside the sum of that series, okay, because that's going to be, we're going to multiply that, the value of the series by m if we can factor it out. So an example here is if I have 1 over 1 plus x, well, that 1 plus x needs to be generated by substituting some expression into 1 over 1 minus x. That blank for the red here, that would represent what my x is in the original function. And that needs to end up being 1 plus x in the denominator. To get that, we would just substitute in a negative x. That means that negative x is the expression that we need in the series formula. We could actually solve for this as well by just making these denominators equivalent to each other. We can just say 1 minus blank, we'll call that question mark, is we need something to substitute in there to equal 1 plus x. That question mark is going to be equal to x, so whatever I'm substituting in there should be the opposite of x. Okay, so that's one way we can do it. We can just kind of guess at that as well. For this one here, we need a 2 plus x. We need to substitute something in to end up with a 2 plus x. Well, to get a 2 plus x, well, we could put in here a negative x to get the positive x, and then we need a plus 2, so we have a plus 1 already. A minus -1 will give us that plus 2. So we're going to end up with negative x minus 1 as a substitution.